Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 37 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to grow our portfolio to $25,000 in the first 2 years of investing. As you can see, the portfolio is down. I don't think there's been one time in the first 36 episodes our portfolio has been down all time, but right now we're down all time $387, or about 3%. Now in the past year, we're down even more, so about 850 or 6.3. And if you go to the 3 month, we're down 12%. So this is pretty crazy. But the way I look at this, as I'm just scrolling down to see, we're pretty much down at all times. But the way I look at this is a perfect time to buy the dip. The stock market is eventually going to climb back up. And if we're able to get more stocks at the discounted price that we are, then that's going to benefit us long term. So as we scroll down here, we're going to invest in two companies. One main ETF that I always invest in, which is a VDY. So this company is still up, but it's still a very discounted price. If we go back to the yearly charts, it's crashed down here. So we're going to pick up shares as we can. We're going to try to buy about 5 shares of VDY today. So again, we deposited about $400 into our account. And this is about half, and then we're going to buy about $200 into another company that I haven't bought in a little while, but just sending the offer, kind of working its way through. There we go, 5 shares of VDY, perfect. The other company is going to be TELUS, okay? Telecommunications company, healthy 4.55% dividend. As you can see, this too crashed down if we look at the year chart, so perfect time. Let's see if we can buy 6 or 7 shares into here. I'm not sure exactly how many we'll be able to buy. It looks like 6 shares of TELUS. Perfect, order confirmed. So again, guys, just to reiterate, we invested in TELUS and VDY. Again, dollar cost averaging these companies, picking up these strong dividend companies, even when they're lower, it's going to make us money in the long run. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't downloaded Wealthsimple or Shakepay, link is in the description, and I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.